Into your frequency, something pulling over me. Every moment starts to glow in a rhythm soft and slow. There's a light I can't ignore, always asking me for more. Every heartbeat starts to climb, perfectly aligned in time. We don't need to say a word, every silence still is heard in the motion of the sound that keeps spinning us around. Time is bending into you, everything feels something new. In the space we both can find something deeper in the mind. Stay with me, don't let go. Into your frequency tonight, everything just feels so right. Into your frequency, don't go. Feel the rhythm, feel the flow. Into your frequency again, over and over, no end. Into your frequency tonight, lost inside the light.